8 ways to use Instagram stories for more sales. Use shoppable sticker. If you have a business account with over 10,000 followers, you can use shoppable stickers to let your followers buy products directly from your stories. To do this, simply add a product sticker to your story and select the products you want to sell. Offer discounts and promotions, but not just like, hey, here's 10%, but make it limited to within 24 hours, within 6 hours. The first 10 people that buy this will get this much off. So making sure it's limited, it gives you some people some type of urgency directly to your stories by making it also engaging. Tell stories. People love to hear the stories behind the product, behind the service, whatever thing that you're trying to create. Talk about it. Like, how did you end up creating this product? Why is it different? What's the story behind it? Is it emotional? Were you in a different stage of life in that time? People will actually relate more with you than the product, and you will be basically that feeling that you'll change on people, the way how they think about you and the brand. That will make them buy more of the product, because everybody has a product. We can find shirts everywhere. We can find pens everywhere. So what makes it different between you and another company to sell that pair of pens or pair of shoes? Read more in the caption and follow for more social media tips.